Hello, everybody. This is Tariq L1, and to continue on the IWBS001, the web system unit for the UTS College. Last video, we had covered the tutorial 3A. 3B was almost nothing, so we jumped today into tutorial 4A. Tutorial 4A has theoretical parts. Let's jump into the technical parts. That's a quick technical demo. Last time we had created a directory called IWB. It is, if you still remember. Then if you move inside, we had created the EX1. Today we will create EX2. So we will start creating EX2 next to that. So here it is, it being created. Inside the EX2, I'm going to create 3 different subdirectories. And text. Here it is. And those ones being created inside the EX2. Use Vi to edit Vi editor to create a file, note1 in the directory EX2. Easy. So here it is. That's let's name that note1 txt. Type whatever we ask you to type, place it over here. For the sake of the demo only, I just type anything junk text. However, for your case, please type exactly what we ask you to type. And type text of the main functions of the system in slide 2 of week 3 operating system. Save the text and save everything. Here it is. And now, if you type here, you will find that we have a new file here called note1. Copy the note1 txt, copy this one to the directory text, this one, and change the name to text2. So copy this one into text and change it into text2. Done, like that. So we copy that one into the text and we change the name into text2. Edit text2, which means that we had to go to text. Here it is. Modify that or edit that and add extra text, whatever the text we ask you. All right, no problem. So here it is. And I'm gonna go here and I will add whatever the text we ask you to add. Please add anything we told you about, whatever we ask you. Save that one. Now we have the note2. Save the file as it is, no problem. Okay. Copy the note2 to the directory mail. To mail. Okay. Mails. Where is mail? So now I am inside here. Now I'm inside text. So to go to the mail, I need to be inside the EX2. You see that? Just here it is. So now, currently, the cursor or the compiler, it's already inside text. However, I want to go to the mail. So what to do? I need to go out first, which means that I need to go, I can do something like this, one shot, like that, or you can do copy step by step or CD. So this is the best option. So can you go one directory up, which is the double dots? Can you go up for one directory? You will find a directory or a folder in your term called mails. Okay, so what do you want to do with that? Copy the node2 to directory mail and change the name into node3.txt. Here it is. Copy the node3 as well to the ex2. So which means that we need to go to the mail. Okay, so here it is. Now, what's inside mail? That's node3, as you can see at the bottom over there. That's node3.txt. Okay, so we want to copy that. Let me go here, just make to sure that. So copy the node3 txt2 txt directly to the one ahead. So now I want to copy that. Here it is. So copy to where? Okay, so here it is. Here, and name it as node 4. I want to put that into ex2. ex2 above. Okay, so that's node 4. That takes 2. All right, so we name that as a node 4. Display the content of node 3. Here it is. Easy as that. Number 8, change the directory to ex2. Yep, here it is. What I have in ex2 right now, I have mails, directories, mails, text, and works. Then I have 2 files, node1 and node4. Just remember those ones, please. Change the directory to ex2. Use only one command to copy both files. To where? Into the mail. I want to copy node1, node4 into mails. That's it. That's it. Okay. Rename then the file node4 in ex2. Here it is. This is node1 and node4. I want to rename node4 into node3. All right, so here it is. That's node4 into node3.txt. So what I have right now, I have one entry. Copy all the file in text to directory works. Okay. Copy everything in text, which is asterisk, into works. All right, here it is. I copy everything from text to works. Delete all the file in text. All right, here it is. Watch this one, please. Oh, here it is. You cannot remove text. Why is that? Because it's a directory. So what we are missing? All right, here it is. That's the same command. And I'm going to put only just minus R. Here it is. It's gone. So if you look at right now, you will not find the directory text. The directory text, which is here, has gone already. Delete text. Move all the file in directory mails. Move all the files in mails to where? All the files, which is asterisk, to works. Change the directory to x2. We are in 2x2 already. Find the created date of any whatever. Here it is, minus L. That's the creation of the dates. It's easy like that. You can find that. And I believe that the largest, and what is the largest file here? What is the number? What is whatever we ask you about? I think that's easy, as you can see that. The more you practice, the more you type the commands. Please remember that if you type the command more than 4 or 5 times, in my opinion, you will not forget it, and also your hands-on will be improved rapidly. Try to do the lab more than once, even if sometimes, like, you copy something and something else, whatever it is, we can go backward and fix it up. However, that's how usually it works in terms of copy, changing directory, remove. Practice those ones, please. How to create directory, how to remove directories, how to delete directories and files as well. I hope that video was helpful. Email me if you have any issue, and feel free to ask me during the class. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.